Most people hear DeFi and think it's too complicated or risky, but the surprising truth is that platforms like Yearn Finance can automate yield farming and maximize returns with minimal effort. Today, I'll share my personal experience using Yearn Finance. Yearn Finance is a decentralized platform built on Ethereum. It aggregates different lending and liquidity protocols to optimize yield. You can deposit crypto assets into vaults, which automatically invest and adjust strategies for the highest returns. Most people get this wrong by trying to manage multiple protocols themselves. Yearn does the work for you. Getting started requires a wallet like MetaMask and some Ethereum or stablecoins. Once you deposit, the vault strategy is automated. You won't believe what happens next when you check your balance. Interest compounds automatically, and strategies adjust to market conditions without manual intervention. Security is crucial in DeFi. Yearn has undergone audits and has an active community monitoring contracts, but risks remain. Smart contract vulnerabilities or extreme market conditions could lead to losses. The surprising truth is that despite risks, many users earn higher returns than traditional finance while maintaining control of their assets. Yearn Finance is ideal for those comfortable with crypto and seeking automated yield optimization. Subscribe for more honest DeFi platform reviews before you invest.